Worried about fire and gas safety? We've got you covered. At Express Service Group, our mission is simple: to keep you safe. We specialize in the installation and maintenance of smoke and carbon monoxide detectors, your first line of defense against fire and hazardous gases. With our expert technicians, you get top-notch service, ensuring these critical devices operate effectively and reliably. We offer 24/7 support, so you can have peace of mind around the clock. Don't wait for an emergency to find out if your detectors are working. Call Express Service Group at 843-488-4503 today. Schedule your service now and safeguard your home or business with state-of-the-art detection technology. Remember, safety starts with being prepared. Trust Express Service Group to keep you and your loved ones protected.
Now remember, don't stress. Call Express for all your electrical, plumbing, HVAC, and water and fire restoration needs at 843-488-4503. Again, that's 843-488-4503. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you'll stay up to date with Express. We appreciate you sharing our videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to watch the next Express video. Thank you for watching.